Previously on Nasty Addiction Garage. Alright folks, I had to make a real quick pit stop. This is day 2 of the process of trying to fit the MR2 Nasty Addiction Garage GT2 widebody kit. So this is going to be a process, guys, but we are going to be on our way back to my friend's garage just so then we could dismantle the Toyota MR2. That widebody that we have on there, we want to take that down, bumper, everything that we possibly can, just so then we can fit the MR2 GT2 kit. So the Nasty Addiction Garage MR2 GT2 kit is happening. So guys, I'm going to turn the camera around just to kind of show you guys. I just wanted to check up on the wide bodies to make sure the wide bodies are doing okay. I know they're in storage units, but still I always like to check up on this. These were a big heavy investment, so I'd like to make sure that not only my investment but the people who bought their kits, their investments are protected as well. So I'm going to turn the camera around real quick just so we can see them. I know it's just they're in crates, but this is just something I like. Just so you guys know, I think this one is this is my mold. I think this is the biggest box of them all. So that's the mold, that's a kit, that's a kit, that's a kit, and that is also a kit. So I'm hoping that this kit or that kit is one of, oh, this is it, look, number 3 it says. Number 3, so that's number 3. Let's look for numbers. Oh, this is number 2. Okay, we're making headway, making some headway, guys. So okay, so this is number 2. That's number 3. So that's 4 and 5. Okay, yeah. So I think this might be, if this was the first kit, this has to be number 2 after the initial 1 kit. So okay, yep, we got this, guys. So just kind of show you guys everything is still good and dandy. So coming, not this Sunday, next Sunday or next Wednesday, we'll be opening this here, kind of dismantling it, opening it up, making it look like a wide body here, just so then we can figure out the positioning of everything. Then we're gonna pack it up into a van, and then we are gonna go to my friend's garage and we're gonna mount it to the green MR2. So guys, let's just jump into the or not the MR2, the RAV4, and let's jump into the car and let's get to the garage. Come on, let's go. All right, we've made it back to the garage, so I am super excited. I'm gonna flip the camera around just so you guys can get a once over before I pull this MR2 out of the garage. So I'm super excited to start this process for the MR2 GT2 widebody kit. So first kit that will be up is going to be Matt. Matt, your kit is the first one that's gonna be up. I know you are in a hurry, so I know you want the kit so then you can start driving your 2GR. So your kit would be up first, but meantime, we got to dismantle this green MR2 now. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse. We're going to dismantle this baby. It shouldn't take very long, so we're going to take it all apart and go from there, guys. So let's go. All right, folks, there she is right behind me, the V6 wide body. This is the Trackhawk wide body. So this wide body here is going to be for sale, I would say third quarter of this year. So third quarter 2026, this will be available. But until then, I'm still working on it, trying to perfect it. So what I'm going to be doing is dismantling everything. So we're going to be removing the front bumper, we're going to be removing the fenders, we're going to be removing the side skirts, we're going to be removing the over fenders, we're going to be removing the rear bumper as well, along with the same thing on this side, just so then we can make it pretty streamlined. So then when we come in here, all we have to do is put this wide body GT2 kit together on this MR2 and call it a day to make sure that everything fits. So in the meantime, guys, all this is going to be time lapse. So enjoy the time lapse, enjoy the episode. Until next time, guys, peace. So enjoy. All right, folks, you guys see we're running out of some sunlight. So what you guys were watching me do was remove all of the body panels that I can in preparation for the MR2 Nasty Addiction Garage GT2 wide body kit that we're going to be installing as a test fit to make sure how it fits. For the first client name is Matt. Matt, this one is going to be for you. This one's your kit, so it's going to be one of those things. So guys, I'm going to turn the camera around, show you guys exactly what we've done, and we'll go from there. Let's go. All right, so I removed the rear over fenders. Still have to remove the rear bumper. Still missing 2 screws there and 2 screws on the other side. Remove all of the side skirts. All side skirts are all off. Door is on, and as you guys can see, the door actually fits fairly well. So there's no real rubbing on any of this. This happened here during adjustment, but no real rubbing on anything. I could slam the door and it actually closes and fits pretty well. As you see, even lays up pretty flush up there. But remove the front fenders. Front fenders are removed. We do have our fender brace. I hope that doesn't make a difference in installing the MR2 GT2 kit, because I did not account for those. And if that's the case, then I will have to remove them when I install them. But otherwise, as you guys see, everything is pretty much removed. Front bumper's gone. Everything is here to the side, looking good. But so far, so good. So far, so good. And we're going to kind of leave it here. So next, what we're going to be doing, the next episode, what you guys are going to notice, we are going to go ahead and start. We're going to actually start it at the storage unit. At the storage unit, we're going to unbox one of the kits. Matt, this is going to be your kit. So we're going to unbox that kit. We're going to set it up as if we are going to place it on a car there at the storage unit to make sure everything is there in that kit. So then from there, we're going to transport it here, and then we're going to all start to try to put it on the green MR2. So guys, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace. Make sure you stay tuned for the next episode. It's going to be fun, guys. Let's go.